All right, so we've unboxed our GoPro 10 Hero, and it looks pretty awesome. It comes with this big warning in the beginning. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Install the GoPro Quik App on your phone. Make sure that you have internet access, and then turn on your GoPro by pressing the mode button. Let's see what that is. There must be a mode button on here. And this must be the mode button right here. Or is it over here? No, here's the mode button right there. So we've got to press that. Now the question is, do we have to charge it first? Put the battery in and charge it. And we can just go ahead and read that QR code. So, all right, we got our phone. I'm going to go to my QR code reader, which I have on my control page. And we're just gonna go right on that bad boy. Bam, we got it. All right, so we're gonna hit get, because that's what it is. Quick, gotta double click. I guess it's gotta see my face to do it. Install. Oh, gotta put my password in. All right, I did the face thing. So now we can download it, and that's going to take a while. I'm not going to make you guys. All right, so anyway, finally download it from the Apple Store. So I'm just going to open it. I'm going to open it. There it is. It says, a GoPro Quik would like to access your photos. Allow access to all photos. All right. It says GoPro Quik would like to use Bluetooth. Okay. It says GoPro Quik would like to find and connect to devices on your local network. Okay. All right, so now I've got it completely connected to everything. I don't know if that's good or bad. Quik works great with just your phone. Do you also own a GoPro? Well, yeah, that's why I'm doing this. Yes, I have a GoPro. Let's pair your GoPro. Well, I can't yet because I'm charging it. So we're going to have to wait for that. So what we're going to do is we're going to skip that for now because I'm charging the GoPro. All right, so there it is. It says your favorite shots all in one spot, automatic video creation, premium editing tools. Try Mural. What do you think that is? Shall we try it? Mural is a private feed to save and relive your favorite footage, clutter-free regardless of what camera you use. First, tap here to see your media gallery. All right, and then up here it says, now tap here and then select a few shots from a recent trip or event. Well, I don't know, where am I going to get some shots at? I'll just do these. Okay, I did that. And apparently it just shows me the shots here. So it's looking at everything. And it's basically on my phone. If I go to the cloud, I should have nothing because I haven't done anything with this app. Let's look down here. It says go here, select photos and videos. So if I do, let's say if I do this. Okay. Now it says tap and send this selection to your mural as an event. So I got to tap it. And now it's going to, 4 items were added. Let's give it a title, test. All right, done. Save details. Boom, your shots are on your mural and they've been combined into a highlight video. Well, look at that. Next. All right, you can change your event's title, delete your event, and more. Okay, next. You can change the look of your mural, and you can also pinch to zoom in and out. Okay, cool. Now tap into the gallery to continue adding to your mural. Check out our new premium editing tools and more. Okay, finish the tour. There's our test. Unlock everything. Try it for free. Oh, apparently there's going to be a charge somewhere along the line here. All right, so let's do this. Let's go and see what happens when I touch this. All right, so it goes here. ultimate subscription, try for free. I don't think I'm going to do that. And it says, try share to Quik, preferences, GoPro awards, about the app, get support. So let's just go ahead and we're going to create an account. And I'm going to use my email address. And I'm going to do all that. You're not going to see what I'm doing here. So excuse me for a second. Now I'm going to create the account. I'm going to bring this up so you can't see my password. So this is what they want you to do. They want you to let them have all your data. I'm not going to do that. And I'm going to agree. Cha-ching. Almost done. Got it. Got it. Let's go to my account. Subscribe. No, I don't want it. They just keep wanting me to, buy their stuff. Preferences. Send personalized data. Always enable camera preview. Wire. Yeah, whatever. So they push you towards this thing. And then they have this little carrot that they give you. GoPro Awards recognizes you. Get the shot. Get featured. So, people are going to go, yeah, I want to do that. And then it's got all this stuff in here. It's got the cameras, accessory, so you can buy stuff. Basically, they're just trying to sell you stuff, right? Let's go back to my thing. All right, GoPro subscriber login. I'm not sure about that. Let's go back. Let's go here. Looks like it took me out of the app. Let's go push this out. Close that. Yeah, it did. It threw me out of the app and sent me to something else. But here we're in there. We're good. All right, GoPro Quik would like to send you notifications. No thanks. All right, so share Quik from text and your camera roll. You can share shots directly to Quik from your cameras, from your phone's camera roll, text messages, and more by tapping the image share icon and then tapping Quik icon. So that's going to come up when you want to share it, and we'll do a video on that. All right, not now. All right, there I am. I'm in there, whatever. So if I go there, that does that. If I go there, that does that. If I go here, there's a cloud. I don't have nothing in it. Here's my phone. Here's my edits. So you can start editing here. Awesome edits in just a few taps. Create an awesome video. Sync to music in seconds. So, yeah, once we get going on it, we'll do all that stuff. But that's the app, and it's in there, and I have it right next to my Expedia. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff with this GoPro Hero 10 Black. Sit through it, so I'll speed that part up. So while we're waiting, pop this stuff off. This thing really feels like a nice camera. I mean, it's good weight. And it's a little bit, look at this, much different than the earlier versions. That you just hook right onto your attachments there. It feels like that's steel too.